This is on Bengaluru flooding that it's been experiencing. Now, there hasn't been a heavy rainfall. However, there is still water stuck in some parts of the city. There you can see Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shiv Kumar going for an inspection. He also met with many of those who have been affected. Now, remember, there has been huge criticism of the Karnataka government as they held a massive event yesterday to celebrate 2 years of government. At the same time, parts of Bengaluru were facing this waterlogging and a huge crisis given given the heavy rainfall over Monday and Tuesday, and the Congress, however, claiming that roads have been cleared on priority. Well, let's go back to Deepak for more on this story. Deepak, what's the situation like right now, and what has been announced by the government? All right, before that, let's just listen into what D.K. Shiv Kumar had to say.
ಲೈನ್ ಏರಿಯಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನುಭವ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ದಿನದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂತಹ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದು ಕಾನೂನೇ ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಕಾರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮನೆಗಳ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಥರ ಪಂಪ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀರು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನೆನೆ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಗರದಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
Well, let's go back to Deepak for more on this story. And Deepak, rainfall today as well. And D.K. Shiv Kumar, they're talking about, this is an issue, this crisis has been in the making for years, the fact that so much development has happened in low-lying areas in Bengaluru.
Well, the latest update that I can bring to our viewers is that here I'm standing at Sai Layout. The water has predominantly receded for about 24 hours or more. The water continued to remain stagnant. Here you're looking at a flurry of activity. A lot of people on the ground clearing up, some of the silt, some of the debris from the drains. The water is being pumped out. You might wonder why there's so much of activity. Well, yes, there have been teams that have been operating, but right now the enthusiasm and the vigor seems to be much more, because in about half an hour from now, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, along with the Deputy Chief Minister, are going to be visiting this particular locality, along with a few others which have been hit by the rains. You can see officials from the fire department, the BBMP, and the civil defense, all of them are here. For the residents, of course, they know that this problem does not have a permanent solution. Will the Chief Minister's visit change that? That is the big question that remains. Because, political visits, photo ops isn't going to change the reality of the situation here. That one big spell of rain once again will expose the reality here, will once again leave this area flooded. You can see here, I'm going to ask Govind to bring the camera closer. I'm going to show you this mark here. You can see the clear color difference. There was water till here even yesterday, and that's at least about 3 to 4 feet, and the water level rises further if you go down this stretch of the road. As of now, you can see largely the water has been pumped out, but inside the damage, of course, is quite real. Furniture, electric, appliances, all of them have been destroyed. Many people don't live on the ground floor here anymore. We've seen an exodus of sorts over the last couple of days, people leaving to their relatives' houses, to nearby hotels. Now with the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister paying a visit to such areas, will the situation change? Because this stretch of the road is right adjacent to a tertiary or a secondary stormwater drain rather. It leads into a primary stormwater drain and eventually a lake towards the end of this stretch. There is no, way for the water to really flow, and that's the reason these streets get waterlogged. They need to find real permanent fixes to resolve the problem. Now, yes, for the politicians to come here, pay a visit is important, but also to find permanent solutions is the larger request coming in from the citizens who live here and in other low-lying areas in Bengaluru.